First drive ever with this rebuilt M1167. Everything appears to be in the green. Generator is good. Heat sensor is coming up right now. It's been on for about 10 minutes. Oil pressure is perfect. Give it a little gas. It's running very smoothly. Very happy with it. So let's get this baby in gear and see what it can do.